Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change a light bulb in a can light like this that has one of these glass covers. Sometimes you can just grab with your fingernails and pull down on this trim ring, or you need a small flat blade screwdriver. I typically like to come in on the back side in case if I scratch the ceiling or this trim ring. So I'm just going to very gently just push my flat blade screwdriver in there, and I'm going to give it a little bit of a twist just to get it up underneath here, and then I'm going to pull this down, and we have some spring clips in here. Give them a good squeeze. Do one at a time. Switch around to the other side here as you can see inside. Sometimes these gaskets kind of stick to the ceiling, or just gently pull them down. Sometimes with all the heat and the moisture in the shower area, and if the paint gets a little bit damp, it can stick there. So just give them a light pull, and then we're going to go ahead and squeeze the other one here and take this completely off, and now we have access to the light bulb. Being that you can't see the bulb, if you want to go with a regular light bulb instead of a flood light bulb like we just took out of there, that's fine. Install your new light bulb. We had a little bit of a malfunction when I was going to go put the trim back in. I accidentally dropped it and broke the tab. So at the store, you know, everybody's going towards LED, so they didn't have, when you have a shower, you want the trim rings that have the glass in them versus where the bulb is exposed and it's open. We're going to change directions here and install an LED retrofit kit. The light's all in one piece, it's all inside the housing, and then you have the socket that is like a light bulb socket with these connectors. Pull apart the connector, and then we're just going to screw the socket in, reattach the connector, grab one side, these V-clips, we're going to squeeze them together. Now this thing is brand new, so they've got a lot of tension on them. And we're going to get them on these little ears inside the can. Do the other side. Yeah, it's nice when they're brand new. They have a lot of tension on them. So when we put this back, push it in, it's going to really hold in place real well. We've got light. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.